Welcome to Real Life Investing. This is Al. Get in contact with you guys. I'm going to be talking to you about Zebec. Yes, we're looking pretty good. Nice start to the new year. It appears that things are going a little better. I think the main thing is with the end of 2025, we just had to get in some tax harvesting, things of that nature, and now people are starting to invest again. But remember, whatever we say on the channel is not financial advice. However, if you like what you see today, we just ask you to like and subscribe to the channel. We are growing, and we just ask you to grow with us. Now, let's just go ahead and start looking at Zebec at the moment that we see it now. Within the last 24 hours, it is up 6%. Over the week, it has been down a little bit, like 5%. Over the month, it is down 13%, and over the year, it is up over 184%. So one of the things we're going to be looking at with Zebec is the fact that although recently things have been in a downward trend, pretty much the whole market has been in a downward trend. That's nothing to be surprised about or nothing to be amazed about. However, now that the new year is starting, we're going to be looking for some more positive things on the horizon. So let's keep that in mind. So let's just go ahead and look back at Zebec a little bit here. Notice that the total supply and the maximum supply and the circulating supply are pretty much one and the same. Now, one of the things we have to be aware of is the fact that we don't have to worry about inflation in the market anymore with Zebec. So that's also a positive thing for us. As far as overall markets, one of the things I'm looking for this year, well, we got OKX, we got Bidget, we got Gate, we got KuCoin, Mexi, Crypto.com, we got Kraken. So Zebec is on a lot of the major platforms. One of the things I'm looking to see this year, hopefully, and it has not occurred as of yet, but we would like to see Zebec get a Binance listing, and we would also like to see Zebec get a Coinbase listing. So Zebec gets those two things for this year. Zebec is definitely going to be in the right direction regarding that. But remember, that's not the end all be all. And that's not, how can I say, the thing that decides everything about your particular coin. But it would not hurt at all to see Zebec in that those two large markets. Just saying, not financial advice for Zebec either. So let's go ahead and look a little bit further, look at the overall cryptocurrency market. I noticed that the market cap is over 3 trillion again. Fear and greed is at 31 currently. And let's see what we're looking at here. I want to notice right here, Bitcoin is at 88,000. What we got? Ethereum, a little bit under 3. XRP under $2. I think that's going to be a good bargain for someone that wants to invest. Cardano at 30 some odd cents. Not bad at all. Let's see what else we're looking at. Avalanche a day or two ago was at $12. Now it's at 13. So didn't take long for Avalanche to make a little rise there. Sui is at 146. What are we looking at? Oh, Kronos. My opinion with Crow, if it's under 10 cents, I'll always take that as a buy. So just a heads up on that. Not financial advice, of course, but just a thought. Now, see if there's any other thing. Take a look at Tensor Tau. I forgot. I am very curious. Tensor Tau at $229, in many people's opinion, is going to be a steal. So one of the things we want to look at there is see if you can scoop some of that up. Let's see. Polkadot has been, I saw it rise above $2. Now it's a little bit less than $2. But like I said, I tried not to mess with that too much because a lot of people have a bad feeling about Polkadot. I do not, but I'm just saying, not financial advice either. Now, Bitcoin dominance right here is going to be at 59%. Ethereum is at 12.1%, and the other is going to be 29%. So let's just go ahead and start diving into Zebec, though. talk a little bit more about Zebec and the Zebec Network, decentralized infrastructure network for seamless flows of real world value. So this is a RWA, real world asset, as far as like Zebec. So keep that in mind as we look at the information. Zebec on Zebec on fire for quarter 3. Yes, Zebec is now on Kraken. Zebec is talking about how much they have staked in the billions of dollars. A lot of great things going on. Happy New Year to Zebec. One of the favorite campaigns of Zebec from 2025. Life doesn't wait for payday. With Zebec, your earnings move into real time, so you can say yes to New Year's moments without waiting on your paycheck. Real life, real time pay. That's one of the things about Zebec, being able to get your money even before, how can I say, that so-called pay period. So it's very exciting. This is the biggest news of the day for this particular video that we need to talk about right now. And that's Zebec's achievement of ISO 20022 compliance in 2025, which is kind of basically they got it on December 30th, last minute, right? So sets the stage for further institutional adoption and broader use cases for our real-time finance engine globally, from on-chain payments to fully compliant rails. Zebec continues building at the intersection of crypto, and I should have read that, but a traditional finance. So very nice, and it shows that the full ISO 20022 compliance token list is here. We're not going to look at that right now, but one of the things we do know is that Zebec now has it. I'm noticing right here we got the ISO 20022, and also I see the SWIFT here. So this is extremely important, knowing that Zebec is a part of the SWIFT system now. So very, very important information, guys. Very important. So let's see. A little bit of information here. On January the 8th, a few days from now, Zebec Spaces product roadmap and tokenomics for 2026. We got Simon Babakani, CEO of Zebec, and Ben White, communications lead at Zebec Network. Both of these guys are going to be talking about Zebec Spaces and the roadmap for 2026. So if you want to know where Zebec is heading, this is going to be an excellent program to watch. That is going to be on January 8th at 11 a.m. Eastern. Just if you're one of those people who really is doing your research on Zebec and you want to see even more information on it. So keep that in mind for the company. See if there's anything else you want to see. I do know that Zebec was its milestone year for its global brand presence. Europe's biggest football stages to NBA to NHL arenas across the U.S. 2025 was a breakthrough year for Zebec sports campaigns. So all eyes going to be on 2026. So Zebec is basically going to broaden the horizons on that. And so let's just keep that in mind. See a little bit of information here. It says the latest future of money is out now. This was from the Zebec Network, featuring leaders from the North American Blockchain Association discussing blockchain policy, adoption, and the road ahead in the U.S. So just to let you know, Zebec is moving worldwide. And I mean, really, we're seeing a lot of growth, and so that is extremely exciting. Not only is Zebec growing in America, Zebec is growing basically all over the world. Now, let's just go ahead and look at the website for Zebec a little bit, remind you of a few things, and maybe show you some things we haven't shown you before also. Now, it says spend your crypto anywhere, anytime. Notice we see the MasterCard logo. And so Zebec is a part of MasterCard. So it is also accepted at what, $100 a million plus merchants worldwide: Expedia, Amazon, Airbnb, TikTok, Amazon, Twitch, Uber, Spotify, et cetera, et cetera. And it just keeps going on. Comparing the cards, you have the silver, which you have the carbon and the black. The silver is a single load with no fees. Spend in the US, what's that, USD, Euro, or I think this is the Great Britain pound. So instant access to your virtual card, usable on Apple Pay, Google Pay, and at what's this, 60 million plus merchants worldwide. Spend $1,000 per card, 10,000 dollars per day. What is this? Spend up to, what's this, $10,000 a day on this one. And then you got the black card, which you spend with no limit. So just incredible. Just saying. You can use silver, carbon, or black. And so just a heads up on that. Seems like to me, it's a little bit more of a glorified debit card to a certain extent. But let's keep it moving a little bit. Zebec payroll, real-time payroll, getting paid by the second. This is definitely a revolutionary idea. Through your continuous payment technology, we're changing the way you get paid, spend, save, and invest your pay. So stablecoin payroll for enterprises and employees. So this is the thing. Employers can open, pause, or adjust the streams at any time. Employees get access to their pay instantly and continuously. I think that's the main thing we're going to cover on this one, is the fact that you don't have to wait until the next pay period to get paid. I think that will eliminate a lot of issues for some people who are needing to get their money early. Hopefully, inflation will drop overall and we won't have to worry about trying to do such. But nevertheless, the way things are now, it's a lot harder to get your money. So let's keep that in mind. Let's go to one more of these. This is going to be the point of sales, defining retail transactions. So let's go down a little bit. This is going to be called ZPN. ZPN powered point of sale systems accepts what's this, crypto payments, seamlessly integrated with Zebec's infrastructure and next generation payroll technology. So let's see what's up for this. Live at selected small and medium businesses in the United States. Trying to see what we're looking at. Decentralized efficiency and rewards, direct, secure, and transparent payments for goods in USDC. Earn rewards in Zebec as a ZBCN contributor and user. Spend your crypto assets like cash with Zebec cards anytime, anywhere. Definitely can get your card here as well. So pretty exciting. One of the things I want to mention to you, look at this nice little scenario here. I would be thinking about setting up medium businesses, small businesses, but also I would look, if I was Zebec, I would go into some of these large colleges and really, you got a lot of young people, and I think that that's really what they need to look at as well, that you can take these to a lot of young people, because a lot of young people are already interested in crypto, and they will be able to be well-versed in a lot of the crypto pay devices. I notice a lot of young people just, a lot of people in general, they're not necessarily paying with a wallet anymore. They just pull out their cell phone and then they just start, paying that way. So I think that would be exciting as well. That would be a great way for Zebec to get clients. Just saying, not financial advice to those guys either. One final bit of information: Zebec Network protocols here and roadmap. Oh, yeah. So right here, this is where it's talking about how the Zebec CEO will be hosting the X Spaces session to outline the 2026 product roadmap. Looks like they're going to be doing this not only for the Zebec Network, but Zebec Coin also. Revised details to be released early in the year, according to the official announcement. Mechanically, changes could include new emission schedules, lockups, utility, or fee sharing for the two token structure. Such shifts often trigger repricing as traders reassess dilution risk and value capture. So live disclosure via spaces can also create short-term volatility if the market interrupts the new model at significantly more or less favorable than current expectations. So if you're doing any trading on that day of January the 8th, realize that uh, the actual volatility that may occur as the price may go up or down. Guys, I am saying very, very much so that Zebec was already up on last year. Let me see if I can find it. I'm going to see if I can go to the chart again. 184%. My opinion, guys, this is what happened last year. I only see Zebec doing more of the same. So if I'm putting my money in a safe spot, as far as like trying to be aggressive with a certain coin, not financial advice, but Zebec looks like a good bet. Just saying, and it hasn't failed me yet. And so I think we should be good to go. Al, Real Life Investing, looking for a good spot to be in. And I believe that spot is Zebec. Have a good day. Talk to you soon. Bye. Please share, like, comment, and subscribe to Real Life Investing. And thank you for watching.